Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am in You're Gonna Die. So I'll explain where I am after I show you where I am because it's too cute and you guys are gonna die because I'm in the process of dying. So I'm staying in a place called the Doll's House and it's in Wexford and I'm having a little staycation. And I wanted to stay in this place when I saw it last year online. So it's an Airbnb and it's my first time doing an Airbnb. I'm gonna show it to you, because everywhere I'm like looking and there's like trinkets and it's just absolute heaven. And then I'll chat to you. So I'm gonna show you and then I'll chat to you. How amazing is this place? I'm just in my element. I'm sure throughout my stay here I will find trinkets because it's one of them houses that there's just things everywhere and I'm like, oh, there's something on the wall. Like I keep finding something new to see, so I'm sure throughout this I will add in more. Like there's just trinkets everywhere. I'm like, I don't know where to look. I love that feeling. So I am down in the sunny southeast, which is Wexford. Is Wicklow, Wexford? Sunny southeast. Bottom of the country to the east. Always sunny here. Well, so basically I just wanted to get out of Dublin for the weekend. I asked my boss for 2 days together and I escaped from Dublin. I escaped from the madness, the traffic. I just wanted to come somewhere where it was silent. Silence. And pretty. So whilst I'm in Wexford, I have some places I want to visit. I want to visit, there's a lavender farm and there's a little country manor thing that I've wanted to visit for ages as well. So I am having a little solo staycation and I found this house. I actually found this house last year. It was in like the Irish Times, or it was in something online, and it was like refurbished or like done up, and I was like, I want to stay there. And it's on Airbnb, and this is my very first Airbnb, but it's part of like Rathaspeck manor. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but there is a B&B up there, and this is the little gatehouse, and it is the cutest. So I'm finally getting to stay here. So my plan now is make myself a cup of tea or maybe a glass of wine. I brought some wine. It's a scorcher of an evening. I am going to open up all the windows, relax, take in this lovely house, and just put my feet up for tonight, because I was working today, so I drove straight from work, hence my head looking sweaty, pasty and frizzy hair, but that's okay. So I will check back in with you when I am heading to explore Wexford. So hopefully I find some cute places and the sun remains. Oh, actually there is 2 bedrooms, so I need to pick a bed. Oh, I knew I forgot to show you something. Look at this doorstop. How amazing is this? It's like a little iron and it's used as a doorstop. This place, there's just so much to see. There's 2 bedrooms in this place, but I'm kind of drawn to the downstairs bedroom. I think it's because it has a fireplace in it, but it's also right next to the kitchen. And we know I like to eat. I like this bedroom because it has a lovely bright window. Yeah, it's nice and peaceful. I like this one. And we've got a little fireplace next to the bathroom. Yeah, I'm getting so much inspo from these rooms. Things like this just make me want to go and collect all of the things. I think there's a salvage yard in Wexford. I'm not too sure. But if I find a salvage yard charity shop, I'm looking for trunks like the one here. I'm coming home with treasure. This place is a credit to them. A lot of the stuff actually was owned by like the family who lived here, like these people. Them people. Oh, I just noticed another thing in here. Look, it's a little toy box. I'm gonna fix my face and have some wine. I'm just in awe of this house. Good morning. It is Sunday and it is scorching. The heat wave is coming. Apparently we're getting a heat wave this week, but I can definitely feel it today. So I am up, dressed, and off to, I think I want to go to Wells House. It's like a country manor. There's lots of fun things to do there. So it's like a half an hour drive from here. So I think I'm going to go there and just go with the flow and see where the day takes me. How amazing is this place? My eyes are watering just because I think that pollen must be high. I don't normally get hay fever, but something's going on. So I'm going to go to the craft courtyard. Very excited about. Get a cup of tea. Have to have a cup of tea. And yeah, so there is a woodland walk. It was 4.5 kilometres. Not today, but there is pretty gardens that I'm after seeing. So I'm going to go to the craft cafe and then I think you can do a tour of the house, so I'll see. But it's lovely here and it's just so peaceful. And yeah, it's just nice and quiet for a ramble. We all know I love my little garden rambles, so let's ramble some more. back because I've made myself a little picnic and I am going to go to the beach now because the weather is just so nice. So I have my little Fortnum's bag, which you remember from my London vlogs, which happily survived the plane trip home. So yeah, I'm gonna bring a picnic to the beach. My eyes, this whole vlog, just look glassy. I think it's a combination of having a cold and driving with my roof down. So the eyes, I'm just congested as well. I'm dying. To Curracloe beach, and I wish like I had someone with me who could vlog the drive, because the drive is just beautiful. So I drove through like Wexford Harbour, which was stunning. I need to get like a GoPro, but it was gorgeous. Like I would have loved to film it. And now I'm gonna go to the beach. So yeah, I don't have any tripod-y thingies that I can stick in my car to try and film it. But the view, trust me, it's beautiful. So I was just up in the main house getting my breakfast and the lady gave me a little tour around the main house. So Rathaspeck manor, beautiful. They restored it and the rooms were just amazing. So I had my breakfast there, had an omelette. So I am just packing up. It's my last morning in the doll's house. So I'm packing up and yeah, just enjoying the last of it. We have a heat wave situation going on in Ireland. So it's Monday and I just heard on the radio that we're getting the hottest weather in 40 years or something along the lines of that. It's to be a balmy 27 degrees today, which Ireland is not equipped for that. We don't have air conditioning because Ireland, it rains and it's cold, so our houses are equipped for keeping warmth in. So Blondie and Pepsi had a nanny for the weekend. So I'm going to make sure I get home early enough to let the poor girls out so they're not sweating in the house. So I'm going to pop into, is it Johnstown Castle? Did you notice that I'm terrible with names and remembering things? Johnstown Castle, it's not far from the doll's house. So I'm going to pop in there on the way home. As you can hear as well, I'm still smothering with hay fever, a cold, I don't know, but I'm struggling to breathe. So I think all this country air is not doing me well. I need to get back to the city smog. So that's the plan for today. So I'm going to pack up, take a few photos of this cute place and yeah, head on. I don't know if I said this, I think I said it started video, but I booked this through Airbnb. So I've had a good first Airbnb experience because I'm not going to lie, as a solo traveller, I'd be a bit nervous of Airbnb. I'm like, what if they murder me? But they didn't. And also, I can confirm that this lovely little house is not haunted. That is some workmen outside. That noise is so annoying. I'd love to know actually, my favourite thing to do is find cute places to stay in, like home or abroad. So if you have any recommendations for really cute cottages or anywhere that has real cute decor, please comment below so I can check them out because I just love it. You just get so recharged when you come somewhere that it's like a treat for the senses. Well, mine anyway, because I love all the trinkets and interior stuff. So yeah, let me know. Right, let's pack up and go.